Hey gang, Carl White here for what might be the shortest podcast episode I've ever done. I was just sitting here and I was thinking of you, and I'm going to call this the Great Mortgage Adventure. The Great Mortgage Adventure. So, to all of you brave souls navigating this thrilling world of mortgage loans, here's a thought for you. Being a mortgage loan officer, it's kind of like being a GPS for the most significant road trip of people's lives. And sure, there might be some unexpected detours and a few recalculating moments, but that's where the adventure lies. And remember that like every application that you take is more than just numbers and paperwork. It's somebody's dream, right? It's somebody's dream of home sweet home, right? And you're not just crunching data, you're crafting dreams, right? And while the road can get bumpy with credit scores and interest rates, your expertise is the compass guiding those dreamers home, right? So when the going gets tough, and it's been tough, right? I get that. When the going gets tough and the underwriting feels like a maze, just picture the smiles that you're creating at every welcome home doormat. And after all, you're not just loan officer, right? You're not just a loan officer. You're a dream weaver, right? You're a dream maker, one mortgage approval at a time. So this week, I just want to tell you: keep navigating, keep dreaming, and maybe keep a coffee pot handy, because in the world of mortgages, caffeine can be just as important as a good interest rate. So, hey, thanks for listening to my podcast. I just want to give you a word of inspiration that what you're doing really matters, right? We're not just closing loans. We're not just making money for our family. We're helping put families into homes. And I know you know this, right? I'm just reminding you of it, that if when the road gets bumpy, just keep on keeping on. You're making a difference. You're driving the economy of the nation, and you're creating the dream of home ownership uh, for individuals around the country. So I appreciate you. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next episode of the Loan Officer Freedom Podcast. Thanks again, everybody. Bye bye.